It's day 25 of our summer sketches, you guys. Welcome back. Today we're going to be drawing an adorable caterpillar using the number 8. Let's get going. We're going to start with our number 8 nice and big and off to the left side a little bit. So we're going to draw our number 8 nice and big. Next, we're gonna do 4 more circles, okay? And they're gonna be going up this way. So we're gonna go 1. They're kind of connected to each other, so you're not drawing a full circle. 2, 3, and 4. Little tail there. And we're just going for it today, y'all. No pencil needed on day 25. And we're just gonna give it some cute little legs. Each little part of the body here is gonna have a pair of legs. Except for that last little bit there, that's the back. Let's give them some color. And I'm gonna do each circle a different color green. What are you guys gonna do? I really do just love drawing and coloring, and it has been my favorite thing getting to see your guys' drawings too. It warms my heart when one of y'all's parents would text me or message me a picture of you guys drawing. Ah, I'm so proud. You guys are so amazing. You're so talented. Everybody has special gifts, and I just love that you guys are taking the time to draw and learn new things. Makes me really happy. Who knew you were gonna learn all these new drawings this summer, guys? Did you know you were gonna learn a bunch of things this summer to draw? You go back to school, you're gonna be impressing your teachers and friends. Check this out, look what I can draw with a number or a letter. And that was it, you guys. This was nice and easy. I hope you give it a try. You can do it. And look at this, an adorable little caterpillar just for you. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for our next summer sketch.